IDEO U is an online learning experience that equips you with skills, mindsets, and tools for the modern world. Courses are created by world-class designers and educators. Each course takes learners through engaging cycles where you see, watch instructional videos by industry experts, try, do hands-on activities to try out these skills, share, post your work for feedback from your peers and the teaching team, and collaborate with others around the globe. Reflect, make connections so you can apply these skills to your work. You'll also have the option to connect with our teaching team during live group video sessions. Courses are open for 5 weeks, so you'll need to complete the coursework within that time frame. We recommend dedicating 4 hours per week over the 5 weeks. But the beauty of our courses is that there's no set schedule during that 5-week period. You can do it in your own time, from anywhere. At the end, you'll receive your certificate of completion. Share it on LinkedIn and become a part of a global community of innovative leaders and changemakers.